Do you know why obesity is called the mother of disease? Because obesity doesn't come alone. It opens the door to multiple diseases at the same time. Obesity leads to diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, fatty liver, joint damage, breathing problems, and even cancer. Obesity doesn't just add weight to your body. It adds disease to your life. That's why it's called the mother of disease.
Ito yung sinasabi ko guys, hindi nyo naman kailangan na maging bodybuilder or sobrang athlete. As long as alam nyo na malapit na kayo sa pa-obese or kahit sa overweight lang control na kayo guys, or mag-workout kayo, add additional movements para ma-burn yung mga extra calories nyo. So again guys, hindi nyo kailangan na maging sobrang lakas or maging athlete para maging healthy. Kailangan nyo lang maging consistent and alagaan yung timbang nyo. Ingat!